around. See, this is again, we don't listen. We don't listen to instructions. We don't do what we're supposed to do. And lo and behold, here we are arrested again.
I understand what you're saying, but the videos, I never said anybody under the age of 21 years old a drink.
Actually, you did.
No, I did
okay.
not. Okay.
I'm going to take this off your head real quick.
I'm not getting involved. Right now, I just need you to sit on the floor. That way we can get back safely.
534. They have two parking problems.
Oh, she's on handcuffs already.
534, that was parking problem.
There was a comment that said that they were already, the police already warned them not to do something, but they still did it.
Well, hold it. Thank you.
It's okay, just start over. Just start out. It's fine. It doesn't matter.
Is it going to stay on my head? No.
That's why they got arrested.
Okay. 15.
Okay, all the way down like mom, please.
It's not my mom.
Okay, all the way down, please.
Take your mom. I'm that old. I look that old.
You're the one who told me that you were her
I
mom.
think
No,
the
I'm
other
not
girl
her
was
mom.
crying.
That's my children are out there.
Okay.
My 6-year-old out there.
Oh, she's a mom.
I'll get a car. All right.
My mom?
They're mad. They're mad. Okay.
Oh, yeah, they're going to, I wouldn't go over there.
Let me supervise.
Yeah, I wouldn't go over there.
They're not going to argue with him.
No.
I just wanted to know what happened. This means
The police already warned them not to do something, but they still did it. That's why the information is not really clear.
Need help?
But,
Can you do it on your own?
you know,
Yeah, just a little bit.
You got
they
it.
were
Okay, I'm going to take the cuffs off you so I can take this off of you, and then I'm going to put them right back on. What's happening? Corporals? Good for the jacket to come off? Yes, that's what I'm taking. You got to take the cuff off first. Top of the jacket.
embarrassing.
Alright, we're going to transfer you onto...
take your cup off now.
Ladies, these two gentlemen are here to transport you only. I have no vested interest in this case. It's me who does, all right? Don't give them a hard time. Ready?
Thank you.
Back on. Yeah, that's it.
So embarrassing.
Just here. We're going to go down to these cars.
How come they're not getting arrested by so that basically I did?
I don't know what happened again. We're going to come on this
It's so sad. Literally like in the middle of adopting a child.
Listen.
I have no idea. I'm gonna fucking traumatize you guys. Like you have no idea. He's so mean. Like what is he doing right now?
I'll turn the AC up for you guys.
That's embarrassing. You know, notice how the officer states they are being detained for failing to follow instructions. While law enforcement has the authority to maintain public safety, citizens still retain vital protection under the Fourth Amendment, which guard against unreasonable searches and seizures. On a boat, maritime laws grant officers the right to conduct safety checks, but a full detention requires reasonable suspicion of a crime. Furthermore, as the argument escalates regarding the underage drinking allegations, the Fifth Amendment comes into play. Suspects often make the mistake of trying to litigate their case directly to the police boat. Legally, the best move is to remain silent. Arguing out on the water rarely changes an officer's mind and only creates recording that can be used against you in the courts. That's why, in our Constitution, it is stated there that everybody has the right to remain silent. to, to avoid incriminating yourself. That's it. You have to remain silent. You're not obliged to answer questions. You just answer questions before the court. So what are your thoughts about this video? Because the information about this video is not really clear. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.